backup what?
Generators?
Generators for, you're talking about for the electrical company?
Yes.
They have, you mean in the plant of itself?
Well, that and individual homes and businesses.
No, the businesses do not know that. You know that more in islands where they have what they call pagados. A lot of the plant falls down, you know, blackout.
Yes.
But due to the fact that we don't have much blackouts here, you don't have that.
Okay.
Hotels will have, obviously, okay, but not in the houses. Residential houses, a few might have, but that's not really common here.
Okay.
This is an area where we have all married. You have here 5 buildings, and these 5 buildings are all married hotels with all the various programs and casinos. Right here, Marriott. This is the Marriott area. These are 4-star hotels. Firefighting, not really. No. We have you have fires here, but not that many compared to other places. You have fires, but the homes don't have no extra tanks and stuff like that. People might have, the how you call it now, the red, how you call it, red thing again, the canister.
Yeah. Fire extinguisher.
Yeah, that fire extinguisher, right? But not really in the house. Sì, per din lugar que não mês nem quanto mês tem dentro do caso. Trindade até estava assim antes.
Cierto punto era assim que tem água que não pode ir governo.
So now we're gonna go through the Palm Beach Strip. Once again, the busiest strip of the island. This is where you have all of the high-rise hotels and the casinos and stuff like that. Okay, so we have here, you have the Holiday Inn. Okay, across on our left-hand side, you have the Paseo Herencia. They have a mall here in the back here, and they have water shows at night.
Which hotel has the water show?
Here, Paseo Herencia, not the hotel, across here, inside there. In that center inside there, they have the water show in the night time. Then you have here, you have Playa Linda, which is a timeshare resort. You have Texas de Brazil here.
Oh, there's Texas de Brazil.
Smoky Joe's, always jam-packed. This is barbecue, always jam-packed.
Dunkin' Donuts.
Yeah. One place that we went
That's
to
our
for
Baskin
lobster that
Robbins.
night.
Then you have here, you have the second 5-star hotel that you'll be looking at right now. This is the Hyatt Hotel and Casino Resort. It's 5-star.
The one we met.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, she was staying right here. Couple doors down from us.
After the Hyatt, you have an all-inclusive resort, Barcelo. It's a Spanish condominium, Spanish consortium. Barcelo, all-inclusive. Left-hand side, you have all restaurants. Then you have this here, left, in front of us here, in this spot. Very, very, very busy at night time. This is a place where you have bars, you have restaurants, you have nightclubs, you have everything here. Okay, so very, very busy area here. This is the area where you went in, knowing where your shoes is, and when you leave, where's my shoes? You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, we went in last night.
Okay, yeah, all right.
Kudos
So
to
you're
me.
still looking for your shoes?
No. We came back with everything.
Okay, good, all right. Hilton, this is the Hilton Resort here. Then you have, after the Hilton, you have the Rio Palace, which is an all-inclusive resort, and this is family, Rio Palace. Then you have here the Rio Antillas. This is also all-inclusive, but this is adults. Left-hand side, you have Courtyard by Marriott. Then you have the third 5-star and the most expensive one, St. Regis Hotel and Casino Resort. Left hand side you have here, this is the Butterfly Farm.
Ooh, yep. Yeah, we're gonna go here tomorrow.
Yeah? Okay.
You would like that.
But Butterfly Farm where?
Right here. You gonna stop? You gonna stop right here?
And are you?
At
Yeah,
the
okay,
ATM?
yeah.
Yeah.
You're going there tomorrow. Yeah,
No,
yeah. Okay.
no, I'm talking. I'm asking him. Will he stop at the ATM?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, okay,
yeah,
okay. All right.
You're going there tomorrow. Okay. Then you have this is the DV Phoenix. Okay, the home of the puppy. Then you have here Embassy Suites.
This is a newer property, right?
Yeah, this is a newer property. That is correct.
Yeah, we were trying this one, but then we realized it's not on the beach.
You didn't like the spot on the beach, right?
No, because you have to
Yeah,
cross
yeah, it's
the...
not on. Yeah, they have like a small thing, but not really beach kind of thing.
Yeah.
But this one, the newer properties here. Yeah. In the States, the Embassy Suites are much smaller, though, right?
Right.
Yeah, they are.
Yeah, much more business for business, huh? But this is right constructed for tourism. Then you have here 5 condominiums buildings. Most of these people, the owners of these condominiums, a lot of them also when they're not there, they will have like agencies rent them out as, you know, short-term rentals, yeah, via Airbnb, whatever, you know. So it's a very popular thing right now. Timeshare used to be the biggest thing, but that has lost its allure.
Eagle Beach.
Now we're entering Eagle Beach. Once again, Eagle Beach is a very long beach, very wide, and there's a lot of documentaries about turtles coming and laying their eggs here during April and May every year. They come, they lay their eggs, and they go out to sea. Immediately that area where they lay their eggs is protected, all right, and they keep monitoring it. And then after 4 or 5 weeks, the eggs hatches, and in the nighttime the little one will go out to sea. Then you have here, you have a lot of quihi trees.
These ones?
Yeah, the one on the right hand side. These are quihi trees, not the divi-divi. Quihi, divi-divi are bent, but these are quihis. More like a like an umbrella kind
I
of
took
thing.
some real cute ones in from them DVDs.
Looks like the one that we picture with.
And do the DV trees actually always bend southwest?
Yeah, the divi-divi always bend. They bend with the wind, eh?
Oh,
They bend
because
with
the wind runs
yeah, the
southwest.
wind, yeah, that is correct.
Oh,
The wind bends them.
that's what I was thinking.
And those are native trees?
They are native trees, yes.
Okay.
Sleepy?
Vacationing is so tiring.
Too much partying on the ship.
You see the width of the beach, yeah?
Yes.
And on the left hand side, once again, we have, you know, various low-rise hotels. It's like low-rise hotel area. These hotels do not have casinos in them. are on our way now to the aloe vera factory, okay? That's actually one of the few companies on the island that really export something. They've been here for ages. When we reach there, I'm gonna find a guide because they have their own guide, and the guide is gonna take you about a tour and tell you the history of that plant. So it'll be like 20 to 30 minutes, and then you'll also have the opportunity, if you so desire, to buy products. And they have a store there also. And they will, once again, they will explain to you everything, give you the whole history of this particular plant here that they have. It's called coffee plant. Tapi kasih gitu, betul gitu.
Do you have any native birds or animals?
We have the owls, OWL, owls. That's one of our native birds, and they are the owls here. They are active in the daytime, and they build their nest in the ground. Okay, when we go to the Kasi Bay Rock Formation, they have a nest there, and I will see if you can see them, because you see them. They have a pair there, and they have 4 kids. You know, so you might be able to see them. But the owls here are active in the daytime, and they build the nest in the ground, in the rocks actually. You have, like, for instance, like at the Marriott Hotel, they have a project that they actually build a nest, pre-built nest for them, and they bring them there to multiply. They're doing that to protect them actually. Then you have another bird, which is called, we call it a trupial, it's a yellow belly. Okay. Then you have something, rikichi, that is like a hummingbird. So they have several birds that are autonomous to this island, you know.
There's a completely black bird, like middle size.
That you saw it by the sea.
I don't know the name, but I've seen a lot of them around. The black, it
Yeah.
looks like a raven, but it's not.
It's like a raven, yeah. I'm trying to get the name of it, but yeah,
but
that
it's
is
not
correct.
a raven.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, it looks like a raven, correct. Yeah. I know what bird you're talking about. I'm trying to get the name, but. Okay, we're gonna get off here. Okay, follow me.